No matter what happens, just keep typing. I think I ripped off one of my fingernails. Look at that. On playing the guitar so hardcore that I ripped off a fingernail. There was all this blood earlier, and you could bathe in it. If you send money to PayPal for the artist. Alright, let's get out of this basement. Sulfate all the time, born with bad lungs. The doctors don't know why. I can smoke all that I want, already know how I will die. Coughing up I thought we need more songs. We totally know more songs. I could do Victoria Beckham. Want me to do Victoria Beckham? Wait.